my dogs. They're lucky. And there's Sam. Hello, Sam. You don't leave me. I've got the trailer on the back here to fill up with the rice. Take it back down to the house. Hello, doggies. What are you doing? You Sambo. You stay with me, don't you? And you, Lucky. You both stay with me. They've got their tractor with a trailer when they take the combine back. That's what he does then with the tractor. If the bank is too high for him to go over, then he just level up with the tractor then. One more hit on this one, then that's that bottom one. And we've got all them ones over there to do all the way up there. And right over the other side of that banana one over there. There he goes. You see him go over the paint, you know. The tractor just made a gap in the bank for him. That's my tractor and trailer. You can extend the sides of the trailer with bamboo so you can get some more rice in it. That's what it's like when he's cut it. Should be nearly full now to empty the first load.